I'm going to show you how to convert between logs and exponents. So here we have 4 equations. It's pretty easy to identify which ones are the logs. Those are the ones that have the log in them. And the ones that are the exponential equations have exponents. Now this doesn't look like it has an exponent, but what you're going to do is you're going to think of this as 16 to the 1/2, because when you take the square root of a number, you're really raising it to the power of 1/2. So it's going to be 16 to the 1/2 equals 4. So we're going to be transforming this into a log equation. So here we're going from log to exponent. Remember the 2 things you want to remember are the bases on the bottom and the log is the exponent. So here's the bottom number is 6. So that's going to go on the bottom, and the log is the exponent. Equals in math means is. So this is a statement. And so we have what's left over is 1,296. Okay, so this is our exponential and this is our log equation. They both mean the same thing. All right, here we have an exponential equation. So I'm going to go ahead and write down log. And the base is on the bottom. Now be careful because this is a fraction. So I don't want to change this number. This is 1/27. When I say base is on the bottom, I mean on the bottom of the exponent. Here's the exponent. So the base is 3. And then the log is the exponent. So that's -3. You want to leave yourself some space for the last number, which in this case is 1/27. So you're always going to have 3 numbers and you've got to put them in the right place to get the correct statement that you want. Okay, here again, we have an exponential equation and we're going to a log form. So I write the log, the base is on the bottom. The 16 is on the bottom of the 1/2, so 16 is the base. The log is the exponent. So the exponent goes right here, that's 1/2, and what's left is 4. So here's my log form for that equation. Again, these 2 equations mean exactly the same thing. They're making the same statement, just in a different form. This is exponential form, this is logarithmic form. Here I have a log, so I'm transforming it from log to exponent. So again, the base is on the bottom, that's the 7. The log is the exponent, so that's 4. And what's left is m. So this is the exponential form.